Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started.
Open the Nural Sales app on your mobile device. From the main dashboard, tap on the Pre-Booking tile to access the module. This time, tap on the Search tab. Select the model to narrow down your search. Once model is selected, tap the Search button. The filtered pre-booking entries will be displayed below. For non-converted bookings, serial numbers will not be visible in the details. However, for converted bookings, the serial number will appear in the Details section. Tap the eye icon next to an entry to view complete details. To convert a pre-booking to a sale, tap on the Convert to Sale button. Enter or scan the serial number of the product, then tap Next. Enter the invoice number, then tap Next. Upload the invoice image as proof of sale. Once all details are filled in, tap the Convert to Sale button. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the pre-booking has been successfully converted. That's it. You've now learned how to search, view, and convert a pre-booking into a sale using the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using Nural Sales.